Check out this Kia 2019 Forte LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock-in dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.